Hey guys, welcome to another video. I've got an awesome install for us here today. We got some V LEDs. I'm sure you guys have seen them. If not, I'll leave them linked down in the description below. But these are going to be a very sweet install for the Footwell lighting in my truck. Altogether, the lighting in a Tacoma isn't the greatest, but we're gonna fix that today with this install. So I went ahead and got the red ones. These are gonna look super sweet. I went with red because it's easier on the eyes, and when I go hunting, red doesn't show up as much, doesn't give off my truck as much. I don't know if that even helps while hunting. Anyway, we're gonna install the red ones into my truck today. And the first thing we're gonna need to do is disconnect our battery. So we're gonna jump up there, use our socket, get the battery disconnected. It's a good idea to do that anytime you're working with electrical systems like we're doing today. All right, we've used our 10mm socket or wrench to disconnect the ground terminal there. Now that that's disconnected, we're gonna jump up in here and pull out the coin holder. We need to get back in here to get our plug plugged in and situated. Now that we got that set to the side, we're gonna locate the black, I know my flashlight's in the way. We're gonna locate the black connector in here. Really hard to see with those two white connectors, and there's a black one there. I'll point an arrow. We're gonna get that unplugged and replace it with the plug that comes with this kit. Now that I got those two plugs hanging there, we're gonna grab our harness that came in the kit and plug this bad boy into the black connector in there. So like I said, we're going to grab the black connector that's attached to the truck, getting our harness lined up with it, and snap it in there. There we go. We heard that snap. That part's ready to go. On to the next step. So the next step is to grab this side of the harness and plug it in to where the black connector came from, which is the lower position plug. So I'm going to do that real quick. That snaps into place great. Go ahead, you can put the upper position plug back into the slot that it was in. So now that those are all snapped in there beautifully, let's move on to the next step. All right, and at this point in the video, we got everything plugged in. I got this plugged into the high and low dimmer that comes in the kit. I got it plugged into one of the LEDs. We're gonna plug the battery back in, test this thing out, and make sure it actually works. All right, we got the battery connected again. Like I said, the instructions asked us to plug everything in, make sure it works, and boom, baby, that is ready to go. So I'm going to disconnect the battery again until we're all done, get this all finished up, wired under the truck here, underneath the plastic coverings and everything. Get it taped to the bottom here, I'll show you guys that. And then we have awesome Footwell lights. So the next part of the instructions involves us getting the tape, the 3M tape here, attached to the LEDs, as well as the dimmer here. I'm going to attach the tape to the back of this and fit it in there. Right there, there's kind of a spot that I think it's going to stick really well. And before I get that stuck on really well, I have some rubbing alcohol as well as a towel. I'm going to clean off my surfaces, get the surfaces all cleaned up, and get this tape attached to my truck. All right, so we got our dimmer up there attached with tape. I got my wiring all zipped up and hidden away. The other wire that connects to the light going down here. We got our tape attached to both lights. This one we can go ahead and plug in and find a good spot for it and get it attached. We're first going to clean our spot that it's going in with alcohol. That way there's no dust or debris that's keeping it from sticking up there for a long time. So we're going to clean that surface, get it attached, and then get working on our other light. So sweet. I got that one attached, pointing more down, just the way I like it. Maneuver it however you guys would like. But we got that one attached. We're going to go ahead and maneuver our wires under there somewhere over to the passenger side. With that being said, we're going to take our 4-foot extender that it comes with, feed it through there somehow, finagle it, and get working on our second light. So where we left off, routing that 4-foot extension over to the other side, you just run it underneath the panels here, get your other side connected, taped on. The last thing it has you do is use the screwdriver that came with it and adjust the output right there with the screwdriver. That way when the door is closed, your headlights are on and whatnot, the lights will dim down to the setting that you have set and that you like. So that is how you get these VLED dual output Footwell lights installed on your second gen Tacoma. I hope you guys found this video helpful. This is the how to get it done. It was super easy, plug and play. That's what I really like about doing mods on my Tacoma. Makes it super easy, super fun, super convenient. If you guys found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.